Okay, so this worksheet is not going to make sense if you have not watched the video that goes through the PowerPoint. Make sure you watch the video first. Now let's do this worksheet. I'm only going to do a couple of these because I really need you to try to do this yourself and then ask me questions. So chromium is our first element. It has 24 electrons. Let's see where chromium is on this periodic table. It's right here. This, remember I told you, is d orbitals, and d starts with 3. So this is 3d1, 3d2, 3d3, and 3d4. Chromium is 3d4. So come back in here and put 4 arrows in chromium. 1, 2, 3, 4. Each of those sublevels are going to get 1 arrow first before you start pairing them up. Okay, remember, one box can hold 2 electrons. So now we can start filling these because we need to place total of 4 electrons. Okay, there we go, there we go, there we go. And I'm gonna pair them up. Sorry, I'm just trying my best here. And then here we go, and here we go. So total we have placed 24 electrons. Now let's find PD. PD. Now listen, you can sit there and count all these electrons, all right? You can sit there and count all these electrons and start placing them from 1s level here. But the best thing is to just find the actual orbital address of your element and then do it, okay? Remember, I showed you this right here, which tells you what the actual orbital addresses of these elements are. All right, let's go back to this PD. Let's find PD right here. Palladium is 46 electrons. We can sit there and start counting 46, or we can just find our orbitals, our element's orbital address. So this is 40 row. You're gonna do 41, 42, 43, 44, 45, 6, 7, 8. So 40 is going to have 8 electrons or 8 arrows. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, and then you can just go ahead and start filling these without even thinking much about it. Okay, you can just start filling them. You don't need to count them because you found the exact location or the exact orbital address for your element. So I hope this video helps. The only way it's gonna help is if you watched the first video, which was about the PowerPoint notes. Okay, what I need you to do is start filling this. This is gonna be 1s, 2s, 3s, 4s, 5s, 6s, 7s. This is 4f and 5f. Once again, this is just a review for you guys so that it helps you to remember this stuff. You need to remember these: 3D, 4D, 5D, 6D. Now here's your vocab word. All right, this is one thing that wasn't in the note, but it's going to be Pauli's exclusion principle, which means what? That the arrows cannot be pointed in one box in the same direction. They have to be pointed in the opposite direction. All right, S orbital is gonna have 2, P can hold 6, D can hold 10, F can hold 14 electrons. All right, I hope this video helps. If you still have any questions, please email me and I'll try to make another video. Thank you for watching.